Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial for the Notary eJournal. In this training video, we will learn about the smart location features included in your Notary eJournal. It may help to watch this video a few times and work alongside us as we discuss this topic. Please reach out to our support staff if you have any questions after watching. Your Notary eJournal offers a variety of smart location features. They include the ability to detect your current location using your device's GPS, use the Google Maps integrated search bar, and the option to create favorite locations for places such as the office, bank, or place of practice. Let's take a closer look at all three. The fastest and most commonly used method of location input is the Detect Current Location feature. In order to use this feature, you may need to enable certain location services options in your device's settings. To use your current location to populate the location fields in the app, click the Detect button towards the top of Step 1. The app will use your device's location to input all of the relevant fields. If you need to make any adjustments, you can click on the field and edit the text. You can also search for an address by beginning to type the address in the search field. This field is integrated with Google Maps and will automatically display potential matches. Click on the correct address to quickly populate all of the location fields in the app. Let's take a look at how to properly add and use favorite locations. You can access your favorite locations from the side menu panel on the home page of the app. From here, you can click New to add and name a new favorite location. Once saved, it will show up in your list of favorite locations. You can edit or delete your favorite locations at any time. You can also add a location to your favorites in the middle of an entry during Step 1 by filling out the location fields and pressing the Save button. To use one of your favorite locations while creating an entry, simply press the Load button towards the top of Step 1, and then select which location you'd like to use. Now that we have learned how to use the smart location features of your Notary eJournal, make sure to give yourself plenty of time to get confident using it before taking it out on your first assignment. Check out some of our other video tutorials to refine your skills with your Notary eJournal.